Welcome to Dr. Sprague over Homestead. So today we are going to do a little maintenance on the farm trucks, 2 Suburbans, 1 Chevy Truck. Thanks to green filters, we're going to make sure they breathe and continue running really well. So every spring, one of the big things I do around here on the farm is to get everything going. And one of the things I like to do is make sure that all the trucks are going to run throughout the year with good new clean filters. Make sure they run because everything gets dusty, and I want to make sure all of our vehicles run really well. And Green Filters was nice enough to send me some filters for each truck. So let's go ahead and get those put in today, and I'll tell you why we're switching from the disposable to reusable. So the first truck we're going to do today is going to be our 1996 Chevy Truck. Now again, this is just a standard V8, nothing special about it, but this baby's got already 250,000 miles on it, and I want to make sure this thing continues on running really well. Change the filter in the box. You're just going to pop these 2 clips here, one there, one there, and the lid is going to come right open. The one thing you'll find when you take these out is that this is going to fit a little tighter on your intake elbow there than the green filter does. So what green filter does is give you a hose clamp to go with it. So this will slide on very easily, and then you just tighten it down. Now, you can use 2 different things. You can use a flat nose screwdriver like that, or you've got a nut driver. Either way, it will tighten down very easily, and then you're good to go. Now, you will notice they do have a little bit of an oily sheen to them. This is just make sure they are prepared and they are ready to go. So as soon as you get it put in, you can just put your lid back on, put on your 2 snaps, and this truck is ready to go at that point. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is going to be my Suburban. Now this is the blue one. You know, on the front right is where the intake is at. So again, these are 4 screws. They are Phillips, so I just get a big screwdriver, pop these loose very easily. And then you just pop the lid up, take the filter out, and there you go. So this is what's coming out. This is a paper filter. It is a one-time use only. You know, when the pleats get kind of dirty, you can start seeing dirt in there. These are replaced typically once per year. So these are a cost of about 15 bucks, something like that. You can get these basically at your local auto parts store and that. But the sad thing is, when these are done, when they are used up, you have to throw them in the garbage. They're not reusable. And that's something that I've always thought, oh man, I wish there was a better solution. So enter the better solution. Now, green filters are completely reusable. The things they recommend on these is that they are cleaned out once per year or 30,000 miles. Now, they do have a cleaner kit that you come with. Spray it on there. It's kind of like a watery detergent. Spray it on, clean it out with water, and then let it air dry. They have an oil that you can re-oil it with, and then these things are completely replaceable. You don't have to throw them away. You just have to re-clean them. Make sure they're good condition. Now, at every oil change, they do recommend kind of popping them out, making sure there's no big debris in there. And if it's not an oil change, do it about every 6 months. So basically, you know, every 6 months to a year, you clean them out, double check them out, give them a good oil soak down, and these babies are going to last forever. This is a fantastic solution. They normally are about 50 bucks, so you're going to spend about 3 years worth on one filter. But if you're going to keep a vehicle like we do, this baby's got 200-something thousand miles on it. These are a fantastic value. Hard rubber surface all the way around, very good condition. And I've already got one in Nikki's other Suburban, the brown one. And I tell you what, this thing has been awesome. She's already put about 500 miles on it and shows 0 sign of wear. Doing great with it. So in order to put this back in, all I have to do is lift the lid up, pop it back down in there, and then just tighten the 4 screws down. Simple as that. Now, a nice thing, if you're forgetful on the maintenance schedule of this, every filter does come with a nice card there that shows you the schedule of maintenance. It also comes with a discount code there, so you can also get some more filters if you need to. And then it's also got a nice warranty card, plus a couple stickers you can run on there if you want to. So I'll say, think about this for the sustainability piece. If you want to keep your vehicle more than a few years, it is always a good thing to get something that's going to last over and over and over. And the green filters, I'll say, running them, I'm pretty impressed with them. They're going to stay very, very well used, and we're going to keep up on them on maintenance. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching on this. But there's more. So Green Filters did send me a couple extras. Now these are a 7308. These should fit a 2016 Chevy Colorado. I have one available for somebody out there in viewer land. If you've got a 2016 Chevy Colorado and you would like to try a Green Filters, courtesy of me and here in the channel, and especially Green Filters, all you need to do is cover shipping. You can contact us directly down below. We'll get back to you in the comments, or you can send us an email. Either way, Facebook, however you want to do it, just let me know. I've got one for you, 2016 Chevy Colorado and newer. You will be like these. You will be impressed. And that's it. Go out and get you a couple of these. You need some. That's it for this time. Thanks for stopping by the channel. We'll see you next time.